If you own a Shark DuoClean and your orange roller has stopped spinning, but the other's spinning fine, this is a really common thing where the housing surrounding the cog gets damaged. What happens then is the roller just sits on the carpet and the cog just spins at 1,000,000 miles an hour, just slightly out of position to where it should be, and then it wears away all the plastic cogs inside this roller. Now you might think, I'm going to buy a new roller. What happens is, within a week, even a couple of days sometimes, the same thing happens to your brand new roller. So what's the cure? Shark don't sell the plastic parts to replace in your floor tool. They will only sell you the complete floor tool, the power nozzle they call it. These, depending on what model you have, are around 70, 80, sometimes £90 to buy. The even better news, they don't come with an orange roller, so you have to buy that on top of it. So yeah, not very good news, folks. Your damage might not look as bad as this one, but I assure you, if the plastics are burnt away inside your roller and it's not spinning, the cog is somehow not sitting right. You need a new floor tool.